Alright guys, came to a parking lot. Just ran to a section hiker. Yeah. So she mentioned a couple of people that I knew that was up ahead that they met, but yeah. We're about to just go through here. Oh man. I just tried to film on my GoPro and it's just said SD card error. 128 gigabyte. It's like full of like 4 or 5 days worth of footage. Tell me about that. Like, what's up with the GoPro, man? It's crazy, man. I'm realizing that once I get close to like filling up to 128, like there's always an error with it, man. Now I'm just tight about that. Oh man. I'm gonna try to attach it to my iPad and see what's up, but I hope it's really not errored, man. That would just be a pain in the ass, man. Honestly. Damn. Got some fresh water here. The wind's starting to kick up a little bit. We got this sign. Trout Creek 7.5. Money, man. Sweet. Alright, let's keep it going. Dang, man, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be so mad, man. Like, what's up with that, yo? What's up with GoPro, bro? Look, guys, it's the bridge right here. Nice little stream. I think this is a tenting area that was on Gut Hook. Alright, about to go up this hill. It looks like a small incline. Might be a switchback. Alright, I'm going uphill right now. Just went through a switchback. There was like a stream down there. Also a few campsites, like tending spots too. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Look at this top view. Well, still making our way out. A couple of switchbacks. Look at that white plant over there. Looks like blossoms or something. I think that's the mountains we're going up. Whew. Alright. This is a decent uphill for sure. A lot of switchbacks. Yeah. Still working on it. Yep. Alright, let's go. One more switchback. Or maybe. This is some uphill. Yeah. It's not really steep though. It's just a duration. And quite a few switchbacks. That view to the left. Wow. Oh, look at this rock field. Whoa. Another switchback. A lot of switchbacks up this mountain. Wow. Wow, that's the top. Woo! What a climb that was. Came all the way from the bottom too. It's dark out. I wonder if it's supposed to rain. I'm not even sure. It's still early out though. It's like 4 something. Passing this sign. What does it say? Brush Mountain East. Look at that. It's a little American flag on top of signage. That's pretty cool. Wow, there's a little bench here too. Oh man. Is this a road or something? I wouldn't mind just tenting up right here. That'd be crazy. Woo. Let's keep it pushing. I don't want someone driving over me. Look guys, another bench. What in the world? Do a lot of people come up here? Where do they park? I don't understand that. Ooh, the wind's starting to kick up. But I got my tee on, my Arc'teryx on, and my windbreaker on. So I'm pretty warm. I am pretty sweaty though. I think the Arc'teryx is a little bit sweated in, but I'm pretty warm. I'm about to wear my Carhartt's hat soon. Still on this. Look at that little small little pond. Very dirty water. Looks like there's a sign up there. We'll see what it's for. Well, this path right here has like 2 American flags and logs just outline the path. Oh, there's an American flag hanging up there too. Like a legit one too. What is this? Audie Murphy Monument. What in the world? Where's the AT? That's the monument up there. Let's check it out. I don't think this is the AT though. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, this is a blue blaze. Let's check it out. Oh man, that footage, guys. I'm still thinking about it. It's the only thing I can think about, right? Whew. Wow, very nice. There's some benches here. A lot of American flags hanging. Wow. Whoa, look at all this stuff. There's patches, hats, 82nd Airborne hat. Audie Leon Murphy, June 20th, 1924. May 28th, 1971. Born in Kingston, Texas, died near this site in an airplane crash. America's most decorated veteran of World War II. Whoa. He served in the European Theater 15th Infantry Regiment, 3rd Infantry Division, and earned 24 decorations, including the Medal of Honor, Legion of Merit, Distinguished Service Cross, and 3 Purple Hearts. He was survived by his wife Pamela and 2 sons, Terry Michael and James Shannon. Erected in 1974 by the Veterans of Foreign Wars, Post 5311, Christiansburg, Virginia. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that, guys. Respect. Alright, I'm walking downhill right now. It's starting to get super cold. Whoa, with that wind too. It's getting a little bit, yeah. I'm bundled up right now. I don't got no water, so the next water source I'm gonna just fill up and then probably just try to tent out. I know I'm definitely tenting out tonight. It's just a matter of finding water. Yeah, if not, then it's just only tortillas for tonight. That's fine. We're working our way on top of the mountain, but look at the right. I see this mountain over there. I know the Triple Crown is coming up soon. Can't wait for that. I think it's like a day away. Yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna hit like Dragon Tooth, if I was looking correctly on gut hooks and AWOL. But we'll see. Need to look for some water. Making my way downhill. Yep. Nice views to my left. I can see the sun. It's just covered by the clouds. starting to get really cold out, but this is perfect for hiking right now. I mean, I'm warm with my layer. Look at that. Woo! Oh man, it just kind of just opened up right here. That is ridiculous. Look at that mountain all the way over there. Woo-wee. This looks crazy. Holy cow. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Woo. Wow, look at this, guys. This is the left side. Whoa. Just goes on and on. I came from that mountain all the way up there. Oh man. Now we're just working our way down, switchbacks. Yep. I'm on this downhill right now. I see the road over there. That's probably VA Route 42 or whatever. I don't even know. Alright. That's the road. I'm literally just gonna camp up here, guys. I know I should learn my lesson, but this looks like a good camp spot. I'm gonna go grab water over there. Alright guys, it's starting to snow. I don't know if you guys can see. That's my tent set up right there. Thank goodness for this little firing with some flat little benches. That's literally like the bridge. This is the road right here. This is the parking lot, and I'm literally right there. And the crossing for the AT is literally right here. It goes like this. So yeah, I'm close right now. But hey, this is gonna have to make do. Alright, I need to start cooking. I don't got no headlamp. All I got is flashlights on my phone. So yeah, I saw a truck pass by. He waved at me, but alright. Alright guys, just did a ramen. Put some Spam in it and some tuna. This is my setup. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I could fix the error, but there's not much I could do here, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna eat.